Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is equivocal. It is pronounced equivocal and spelt E-Q-U-I-V-O-C-A-L. Think equi and then vocal. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Equivocal means ambiguous, uncertain, or intentionally vague in one's language or actions. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something or someone that is not clear or definite. For example, you could say, the statement was equivocal, and it was hard to understand what he meant. Or, the situation was equivocal, and it was hard to know what to do. The word equivocal comes from the Latin word equivocus, which means of equal voice, referring to something or someone that is ambiguous or uncertain. In the fourth Harry Potter movie, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, Harry is chosen as the fourth champion in the Triwizard Tournament, despite never entering the competition. This is a very equivocal situation, as the intention and explanation of why this happened is unknown until later in the film. Synonyms for equivocal are ambiguous, uncertain, vague, and unclear. Antonyms for equivocal include clear, definite, certain, and straightforward. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, equivocal. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.